have that in our studio, right? So we are going to unbox this. We'll see what comes inside the box. I'll give you my first impressions. So hello guys, this is Sumang Jawar from Technology Overdose. Let's begin. Okay, so one good thing OnePlus has done is that the launch price of this smartphone, as compared to OnePlus 8, isn't that high, I would say, because OnePlus 8 is cost around 40-39, whereas this one it's 42-43 for the base variant, right? So the variant which I have here is 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, right? So let's unbox this. Okay, so you can see there's written never settle here, but let's just keep this for a side. Let's just see what things we get inside the box. A lot of documentation stuff going on, and you do get this OnePlus smartphone, which we will see it later, and that's it. You get an invitation letter with a SIM ejector tool here. You get some quick start guide, which you'll read. You can obtain a PhD degree. You get a red cable card club and a lot of stickers so that you can show to your friends that I have OnePlus device. And they have something called highest SAR value, and for head it's 1.07, for body it's 0.85. Okay, so we get a data cable, OnePlus general data cable, and it is very braided, and I would say it's thick and nice power, because obviously you are getting Warp Charge 65 technology here. So, and if we see that power, oh my god, that's huge. That is really huge, because you have 65 watt Warp Charge technology here. Okay, so this is the phone, right? So let's unbox it. So this is the phone, and okay, so this is the OnePlus 8T device, and you have a glass back which feels really lot premium, and in the sides if you see you have this aluminium frame down, and we will talk about this phone much details, right? Okay, so this is the OnePlus 8T phone. As you can see, this is the camera module, OnePlus logo is here, and on the bottom you have a speaker output, charging port, SIM tray, right? On the right hand side you have this alert slider and the power unlock button, and on the left hand side you have volume up and down buttons, and on the top you have mic cancellation, secondary mic also, right? Okay, so I have the SIM ejector tool, so let's just check this SIM tray out. Okay, so you do not get an expandable storage here. It's just dual SIM support, by the way, so you cannot expand the storage, so you need to be careful with that. Okay, so talking about the display of this phone, this OnePlus 8T comes with a 6.55-inch fluid AMOLED panel, that is 120 Hz refresh rate, and let me say you, I have been using Poco X2, and on that also you get 120 Hz, but the 120 Hz on OnePlus is far more effective than that. Because you have a very good processor in it, and obvious that the Oxygen OS with Android 11 update obviously is quite awesome. It is not any it is true that the new Oxygen OS that has been updated is it resembles with Samsung's UI, but I don't have a problem with that literally, and optimization is well done by Samsung, all the scrolling, the app opening, everything is pretty much fast, very fast, and the 120 Hz is really lovely on this phone to use. Okay, so now talking about multimedia. As I told you, you obviously get the 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED panel with 120 Hz refresh rate on it. And since it's AMOLED panel, you will love the display. You will love watching content on this, streaming different videos from Netflix, Amazon Prime, etc. The colors are so punchy because obviously it's an AMOLED panel, and that's what you expect from a brand like OnePlus, right? So again, you also get stereo speakers with Dolby audio support, right? So let's just test the speaker output once. Okay, so let's just play a video to know the speaker's output. You can clearly, in fact my voice isn't audible, I'll tell you this. Okay, so as you saw, you can clearly hear that bass output, that stereo output that OnePlus has said that you get dual stereo speakers. So it is clearly visible, and trust me, the speakers are so loud, and you won't have any problem with that, including consuming media or playing different games. You won't have any problem with that. Just trust me, because I am here. And you know one thing, when the sound output has this backside, I think it just vibrates a little bit to produce that extra bass, I would say. So yeah, OnePlus has done really great job in the speakers output, I would say. And that's it for multimedia. I think you won't have any problem with this. Okay, so I have set up my fingerprint and face unlock both. So let's just test it out. So you can see that was pretty much fast. Okay, so let's test the face unlock. See that was pretty much fast. So face unlock are pretty well fast and pretty accurate as well. Okay, so talking about connectivity, well, this OnePlus 80 phone comes with future-proof phone, that is, you get 5G support with it, right? So you get dual SIM connectivity, one 4G and one 5G, carrier aggregation support as well, and you get all those minimum required connectivity options such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, dual band Wi-Fi, etc. You get everything you need, and moreover, you also get NFC with this OnePlus 8T. That's also an additional feature, I would say. Not many people use that, but still, it's an additional feature that OnePlus provides you. Talking about performance, well, in this phone you have Snapdragon 865 processor. Yeah, I know that it is not the latest processor. The latest processor is Snapdragon 865 Plus. Now, let me tell you, there isn't much difference between Snapdragon 865 and 865 Plus, I would say. In practical life, you won't even feel anything because both processors are so capable, and on the top of that, you have Oxygen OS, OnePlus optimization, game space, etc. So all of these will just enhance your gaming performance. You will love gaming on this device, that's for sure. And even OnePlus has said that they have improved their thermals on this OnePlus 80 device, right? So if you need a full gaming test on this phone, do comment down. I will think of making a gaming test on this smartphone. So even in terms of performance, I would say you won't have any much problem. Like you want to multitask or you want to play a lot of different games, you won't have any problems with that, that's for sure. Okay, so talking about camera setup on this OnePlus 80 device, you get a rare quad camera setup on this OnePlus 80. You get a 48 megapixel main camera, which is Sony IMX586 sensor. You get 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. You get 5 megapixel macro lens and 2 megapixel monochrome lens. If we see on the front side, well, you get a 16 megapixel front camera, which is Sony IMX471 sensor. Now, I'm a little disappointed with the camera setup that OnePlus has provided, because OnePlus has been shipping the same IMX586 sensor from almost an year. I mean, you have the same sensor in OnePlus 7 series, you have the same sensor in OnePlus Nord, you have the same sensor in OnePlus 8 series. So I'm really expecting that OnePlus, upgrades to a better sensor in at least OnePlus 9 series, right? I would say that the camera setup on OnePlus 7T was I mean, it was better than OnePlus 8T because you didn't have any extra showcase cameras that you have in this, like the 5 megapixel macro lens, 2 megapixel monochrome lens. I mean, no user expects that when he pays 40 to 45,000 rupees for a smartphone. But however, no doubt, photos are quite good, and I would say the camera is very much well and good. You also get OIS, EIS, everything that you need generally for photography or videography. Coming to battery, on this OnePlus 8T device, you get 4500 milliamp hour battery and a 65 watt charge technology, which is again awesome. I mean, we do get this we do get 65 watt charge in under 20,000 in Realme 7 Pro, but it's okay. So I don't think you will have any problems while in terms of battery life. I mean, you have a pretty much big battery that is 4500 milliampere, and you also have a 65 watt charger. And OnePlus claims that this, your OnePlus 80 will get charged in around 39 minutes, which is a quite surprising time and excellent time, I would say. So I don't think, I mean, it's not that you won't have any problems with the battery life, that is for sure. Okay guys, so that was it in this video, and I want to especially thank my friend Indivar, who has given his OnePlus 80 phone for unboxing, and he has a YouTube channel, so the link is in the description. Please go and check out his channel and subscribe to his channel. He makes some entertainment videos, right? And obviously don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'm coming with a lot more content. And like the video, share this video, comment down if you have any suggestions, queries. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, keep smiling.